just like that. Tires are out. Canopies are up. We've got the MX5 out. And we're starting to become a pit space. Only takes a couple minutes. We're building a home away from home. Search reveal right here. Super excited. Who made it?
222 Prince, aka Ratchet Drift Me.
That's right, right there. Holy shit! We got fire. We got MX5s. We got turbos. Damn, that looks really good. Look at that. That's so clean.
Nice hoodie too.
Piston
Good
killer.
hoodie, not just
nice hoodie. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Thank you, sir.
Quality only, baby.
So Cody, part of the KMR acrobatics team, is actively balancing on a rolly thingy while trying to zip tie up wavy thingies. Yeah, oh, we're looking good. I like it. We're getting a good little hospitality, little KMR setup. Fuel Fest. Successful track walk. We got this little square out here. We're gonna basically make a figure eight in, shred it up. All right, what do we got going over here?
Fuel Fest.
The DJ.
Having fun, giving out ride-alongs to everyone that wants one. The renewable lubricants, Mazda Tricks, MX5.
We're just having fun. Sun is setting. Fuel Fest, total success. We're giving ride-along, shredding tires, having fun, and the sun is setting. I don't think it gets much better than that. Still massive crowd. Still drifting on a beautiful evening. Well, that is a wrap. It's a very fun day out here at Fuel Fest. Car's running great. Got like probably close to 30 laps in. Lots of ride-alongs. Lots of fun. That's a wrap.